Hello everyone, in this video we are looking into RF-DETR segmentation model by Roboflow, and they have open sourced checkpoints from Nano to 2XL. This RF-DETR, basically real-time fast detection transformer, is CNN plus transformer based architecture and specifically brought up to get higher accuracy at the speed of YOLO. You can see in this demo sample that it is performing very well. And if I bring you the accuracy versus latency comparison of RF-DETR and YOLO, you will see that YOLO 26X and RF-DETR segmentation XL version are neck to neck in accuracy and in speed. So you can see that the bigger version of RF-DETR is like equal to YOLO 26 highest version. YOLO 26 has X as a highest model, and if you can compromise the latency a bit, you'll see that there is a significant increase in the performance or the accuracy. And on different specification, it is working way better. You can see about like 2 to 3 points of hike in XL version of RF-DETR against the YOLO 26. And if you just let go the latency for a bit, you will see better performance compared to YOLO 26. In this official blog from Roboflow, you can find all the details about this model. So let's run a small couple of demos on this model. First, I'll run the sample code on a single image and see the annotation as well. And here is the annotation. You can see it has identified the small car as well. You can see how small it is, and previously the models were also identifying this dog belt as a tie, if you have remembered that. Now I have created a small demo in which I'll replace the background with some dummy image in real time. On 2XL model, I have 16 GB of GPU, but this will work fairly fast. So let me switch to another setup to run the demo. So I am on another setup, and let me run this code and let's see how this performs. Yeah, you can see this is basically performing well, and I can zoom in a bit and zoom out as well. I don't have great lighting conditions, but you can see the segmentation in real time is very good. And since we are using the 2XL version of the RF-DETR model, but it is doing fairly good job. I guess this is it from my side for this video. The code I have used during this video is available on my GitHub, and the link of it is in the description of this video. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.